Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to make photos stock and move in TalkingPhotos AI. So I'm logged into my TalkingPhotos AI account. This is the home page. You click on Create Video to start creating your video. And you'll see this pop up. There are 4 types of videos you can create using this TalkingPhotos AI app. You can create human videos, which is what I'm going to be showing you today. You can create 2D and 3D cartoon talking videos. You can create animal videos. And finally, you can create dancing and singing videos. And I'll be creating separate tutorials for each of these types of videos. So I'll click on the human video option. In this first step, you need to choose the aspect ratio. You can create vertical or 9:16 videos, or you can create horizontal videos, which is 16:9 aspect ratio. So I'll choose this option and then click on Create New Character. And this next step is where we generate our character using an AI prompt. You can use this drop-down box to choose male or female. I'll choose male. You can also use this drop-down to choose clean shaven or with beard. I'll stick with clean shaven. Next, I'll enter my AI prompt into this box and then click on Generate. It can take about 15 to 20 seconds to generate the AI image based on your prompt. Just give it a few seconds, and here is the AI image it generated. And you can use the image as is or even change the prompt if you're not happy with it. I'm just going to leave it as is. In this section, you can face swap this image with your own. So I'll click this image button and you'll see this pop up. I'll click on Add Folder, give it a name, and then click Save. So this is the folder we just created. Now you don't have to do this process every time. It's just a one-time thing. So you just create a folder. So I'll click on the folder and then click on Upload File. I'll click this image icon, navigate to my folder in File Explorer. I'll choose my image and then click Open. And here is the uploaded image. I'll select it and then click the Select button. So here is the image. And then I'll click on Regenerate. It will then regenerate the same AI image with my face swapped on it. Again, this can take about 15 to 20 seconds. And as you can see, it did a pretty good job, though it has a slight beard. And you can remove it by using the negative prompt button here if you want to. I'm going to leave it as is. You can also hover your mouse over the generated image and then click on this download button to download it to your local drive so you can save it there. Then click the next button. In this next step, we have to choose a motion, which are essentially body movements and hand gestures. So I'll choose this one. And you can use this button to see what the motion animation looks like. And there are many motions to choose from. Let me close this preview box. And as you can see, as I scroll down, there are many motion animations with different types of hand gestures and body movements to choose from. Let me scroll back up to the top and I'll choose this one and then click Next. In this next step, we need to choose the audio. There are 3 tabs at the top. You can import an audio file like an MP3. You can record your own voiceover right here. Or you can use the built-in text-to-speech feature, which is what I'm going to be doing. So you start by entering your text into this box that you want to convert into text-to-speech. You can choose a language. I'll stick with English. You can choose the voice using this drop-down. I'll stick with the default Andrew. You can also choose emotions here for some of the voices. I'll stick to the default general. You can also use these two sliders to control the speed and the pitch of the text-to-speech voiceover. I'll leave them as default. And then finally click the Import Speech button. And it will then generate the voiceover in a few seconds. And then once it's done, you can click this Play Audio button to preview the voiceover. And then once you're happy with it, you can click Next. In this final step, you need to name your project. So I'll give it a name and then click Render Video. It will start the rendering process and bring you to this page. It can take up to 20 minutes to render the video. And if you click this Go to My Videos button, it will take you to the My Videos section where you can see the progress of the video processing. In the meantime, you can work on another video project if you want to. In this case, it took about 11 minutes to process this video. And then once the video is rendered, you'll see these options to preview, download, delete, and reuse the video. And here's how the video came out.
Hey guys, Anthony here. So this is an AI-generated image that I created using the TalkingPhotos AI app. Then I used the face swap feature to add my own face to the image. And finally, I used the built-in text-to-speech voiceover feature to add this voiceover. As you can see, it's perfectly lip-synced. Also, you would have noticed I added some hand gestures. If you'd like to learn how to create these types of talking photos, please check my step-by-step tutorial.
So there you have it. You can get Talking Photos for a discounted price for a limited time. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.